The Please Wait screen on your YouView box is one of the most frustrating technical issues users face. This error prevents you from accessing your TV services and can affect multiple models of YouView boxes. This error commonly affects older YouView models, including Humax DTR series boxes, Manhattan T1, T2, and T3 series, as well as various BT and TalkTalk TV boxes. The issue spans across multiple manufacturers and model years. To understand the error, we need to know the normal boot process. When you turn on your YouView box, it goes through 4 main stages: hardware initialization, firmware loading, service connection, and finally launching the user interface. The Please Wait error occurs when this boot process gets stuck, typically during the firmware loading or service connection stages, preventing your box from reaching the final user interface. There are several common causes for this boot error. Corrupted firmware is the most frequent culprit, accounting for around 60% of all cases. This happens when the software that runs your box becomes damaged or incomplete. Hard drive failures are another major cause, particularly in older YouView boxes, where the internal storage has degraded over time. Network connectivity issues can also prevent proper service initialization during boot. Other causes include power supply problems that provide insufficient or unstable power, and overheating issues where thermal protection systems cause the box to hang during startup to prevent damage. Understanding these potential causes is the crucial first step to resolving the Please Wait boot error. Whether it's corrupted firmware, hardware failure, or connectivity issues, knowing what might be wrong helps you choose the right troubleshooting approach. Now we'll explore the most effective solutions for fixing the YouView boot error, ranked by their success rates, based on real-world data. The factory reset is your best first option, with an 85% success rate. There are 2 approaches: soft reset and hard reset. For a soft reset, hold the power button for 10 seconds while the device is unplugged. Then reconnect power, restart, and navigate through the settings menu to find the factory reset option. For a hard reset, unplug the device for 30 minutes, then hold both power and OK buttons while reconnecting power. Keep holding until the reset menu appears. If factory reset fails, firmware recovery is the next best option with a 75% success rate. This involves reflashing the device's operating system. Firmware recovery requires accessing maintenance mode, downloading the correct firmware file, and using USB recovery tools. For severe corruption, professional reflashing may be necessary. Network issues can cause boot problems. Ensure you have a stable connection with at least 2 megabits per second speed and configure proper DNS settings. Set your DNS servers to Google's public DNS, 8.8.8.8 for primary, and 8.8.4.4 for secondary. This can resolve connectivity issues. Prevention is always better than repair. Follow these simple tips to avoid future boot errors and extend your YouView box's lifespan. Ensure proper ventilation around your device, use quality surge protectors to prevent power damage, and keep your software updated. These simple steps can prevent most boot errors from occurring. Remember this order: try factory reset first with its 85% success rate, then firmware recovery at 75%, followed by network troubleshooting. Most importantly, implement prevention strategies to avoid future problems.